Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from DoorDash Crimson Card to bank account. Start by opening the Dasher app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app is open, look at the bottom menu and tap on the account section. This is where you can manage your profile, earnings, and payment methods. Inside the account section, scroll down until you find the option related to your Dasher Red Card or Crimson Card. Tap on it to open the card details. On this screen, you will see options related to managing your card. Next, look for the option that allows you to add your card to your digital wallet. If you are using an Android device, tap on Add to Google Wallet. If you are using an iPhone, choose Add to Apple Wallet. Follow the instructions shown on your screen to complete this step. Once your Crimson Card is successfully added, open your Google Wallet or Apple Wallet app. Inside the wallet, locate and select your Crimson Card. After selecting the card, look for the option that says Transfer to Bank. Tap on it to begin the transfer process. You will now be asked to enter the amount you want to transfer. Type in the amount carefully. You will also see an option to choose the transfer speed. If you want the money instantly, select the Instant Transfer option. Keep in mind that this may include a small fee. Finally, confirm the transfer. The funds will be sent to your linked bank account through your wallet. Thanks for watching.